Hello, trading is closed on May the 15th, 2017. Over the weekend, I said I was looking for a gap outside of Friday's range. I thought there'd be an expansion of the range. Both of those things happened. I said there was a good case to be made for the move outside the range being down, but you wouldn't know for sure until the open. It was clear before the open there was going to be a strong move in the undesired direction. So that call was killed before the open. During the day, while we're racing up to new highs, we hit this old MEJT target from May the 9th. Note the resistance right over the target. While we're going up, MEJT says ultimately prices will drop. Said that rally's false, and we got the drop that it called for, and there's no new signal for tomorrow. Well, we gapped up, new highs, couldn't hold them. It's a negative pattern, but it's invalidated if we gap up and promptly take out this high. That doesn't require much of an up move, and I'm not going to say it won't happen. Should be easy enough to do if we're going higher. But if we don't overtake this promptly, there should be a sizable drop. So the early trade is going to be significant. We have a number of sell signals which haven't either panned out or been invalidated yet. Let's go over them and speculate some. First of all, here's a stilt, here's half a diamond. That's enough. So we have an inverted diamond on stilts. Here's the origin of the left stilt. Right now, it's a support level, but usually the first challenge of the origin of the left stilt holds. While the market hit a new high, the percentage of stocks with favorable chart patterns continues not to go along. This move here is an exact Fibonacci target of this diamond, but there also are some other Fibonacci targets at slightly higher prices. Here's the daily chart. We're still on a sequential sell signal. We have now 12 bars of a combo sell signal, since the last 3 bars don't have to obey all the rules. And if we go any higher at all, we'll have a combo sell in addition to the sequential. A lot of these have not worked, and these really indicate markets which are overbought instead of markets which have to drop. They can correct their condition just by consolidating, but that's the signal nonetheless. At this point, it just tells us if we get a big drop starting, it probably is the real thing. Well, I'm losing my enthusiasm for the wave count, but I still just have to change the last leg to make things work out. If I keep brown A where I had it, and that's red A, B, C for red B, and then red C, I can make that work. So if we drop from here, it's plausible. For tomorrow, we have strong resistance at this high and at slightly higher prices, say within about 10-15 points or so. A reversal which starts from any of those places I would call credible. If we don't take this high out promptly tomorrow, I expect to see lower prices tomorrow. But if we go higher than today's close, certainly as high, much higher as 1% higher, I think a lot of the sell signals are going to be failed signals, and we could go even higher than that. So this is a critical resistance area, and I think tomorrow's open and this week's trade are going to be significant to see if we break through or if this resistance level holds, and that's today's call.